Everybody, if you're watching this, you missed day 1 of our week 7 Foundations of Tech lecture. Well, let's get to it. So this is a really exciting time. We are starting our structures unit, and in order to be able to really understand structures, we have to have a little background in materials. So we're going to spend today talking about materials and various properties of materials. Please don't forget that assignment 9, which was Morse code, is due tonight by midnight. Today is Monday the 22nd. If you're watching this in future, then it's past due and you should probably do it. Build a telegraph. That was your project from last week. The deadline for that is April 6th, when we return from spring break. So please make sure you get that to me. And then assignment 7 has a deadline coming up on March 26th, and assignment 6 deadline is March 24th. With that, let's go ahead and move forward. We watched this short video. I'm not going to play it for you here, but I recommend you check it out on prosthetic leg. And we talked about what kind of materials were inside of it. So each section of this prosthetic leg is made up of different kinds of materials. And the question is why? Why do we need different things to make this whole contraption together function? The reason is different parts call for different properties. So you might need something that's very malleable for somewhere down here, and you might need something very, very strong and tough inside this knee joint in order for it to withstand all the impact that this thing is going to be going through. So ultimately, it's important for us to discuss what do we mean by these terms, like strong or tough. What kind of terms do we need to understand in order to describe a material? What exactly does strength mean? What does malleability mean? So the point of today is to understand these ideas. So on MyMCPS, underneath modules, you will find assignment 11. First of all, if you did not attend today, you do need to complete assignment 10, as I gave you 5 points for participating in the Nearpod, so you missed that. You need to complete this assignment. The assignment is very straightforward. You watch the video and you answer these 2 questions. Assignment 11 is the following. You need to go to this website and answer, not that website, this website first, and take a look at all the terms on here and fill out in your own words what each of them mean. So I'd like you to use what you can read, not what the website says, so please do not copy and paste. An important distinction that I'd like to make really quick is the difference between strength and toughness and hardness. Those are different things. Strength refers to the general ability of an object to withstand force. So anytime that something is withstanding a lot of force, you could say it's strong. But toughness is more specific. Toughness refers to something's ability to withstand a large impact. So a sudden force. Whereas hardness refers to how well it withstands wear and tear over time. So those are different ideas. Similarly, malleability is how well an object can be formed in every direction, stretched in every direction, whereas ductility is how well it stretches out, while elasticity is the object's ability to give under pressure but then return back to its original shape. And last but not least, plasticity is different from all of those, as plasticity refers to the object's ability to take on a new shape and then keep that shape from that point onwards. Think of plastics. They're really good at this. Do note that this assignment is in a different editor. For some reason, Google Classroom is having some trouble connecting to MyMCPS, so we're going to have to use this workaround. To edit it, you can use this text box and put it in the places where you'd like to put an answer. And the last section of the assignment asks you to go to this TED Talks page, watch any of these TED Talks on new materials, and then fill out the following questions for a total of 6 points. So please make sure you do that as well. If you have any questions, please make sure you send me an email. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.